Welcome to this elegant two-bedroom apartment on 90 Duong Lang. Bright, spacious, and designed for a comfortable stay. Relax after a busy day in this cozy living space. Enjoy beautiful natural light throughout the day. A welcoming dining area for family and friends where every detail adds warmth and comfort. The master bedroom offers peace and privacy. Wake up to beautiful city views every morning. Soft bedding ensures a restful night's sleep. Designed for complete relaxation. A fully equipped kitchen makes cooking easy. Everything you need is ready for your stay. Clean, practical, and thoughtfully designed. Kitchen essentials are neatly organized. Plenty of storage for longer stays. Modern appliances bring everyday convenience. A modern bathroom with a spacious walk-in shower. Bright, clean, and beautifully finished. Thank you for visiting. We look forward to welcoming you soon.